Hey everyone, Stefphanie Galloway here, your trusted real estate advisor. Today we're getting into a topic that many homeowners wonder about, renovations that can increase the value of your home. And I'm here to give you the top 3. If you're planning to sell soon or just looking to enhance your living space, understanding which renovations offer the best return on investment can make a huge difference. So let's get started. First up is the kitchen. A modern, updated kitchen is on top of most home buyers' lists when looking for a new home. But you don't need to have a full-on remodel. Small repairs can make a big change overall. Think about replacing old appliances with contemporary models. Not only will this give your kitchen a sleeker appearance, but it'll also save you money on your energy bills in the long run. Next, let's talk about countertops. Upgrading your countertops can totally transform the look of your kitchen. Maybe you swap out that old scratched up laminate for some sleek granite or quartz, and suddenly your kitchen is more modern and stylish. And that's something that buyers definitely notice. And don't forget about the cabinets. A fresh coat of paint in a new trendy color or sleek new hardware can make a world of difference. By making these small but impactful changes to your kitchen, you're not only making it a nicer place to cook and hang out, but you're also increasing the value of your home. It's like investing a little bit now to get a big payoff later when it's time to sell. Plus, you get to enjoy your beautiful new kitchen in the meantime. Next on our list are the bathrooms. An outdated bathroom can be a deal breaker for potential buyers. But don't worry, you can make it better without breaking the bank. Simple upgrades can make a big impact. For example, changing old light fixtures for more stylish ones can instantly freshen up any space. And upgrading your shower head to something sleek and stylish can also make a noticeable difference without spending a fortune. And a fresh coat of paint can make a world of wonders in brightening up the room and giving it a more clean and updated look. If your budget allows, think about adding features like double vanities or a walk-in shower. These upgrades aren't just about making your bathroom look pretty, they can actually boost the value of your home when it comes time to sell. So not only are you making your daily life a little bit better with these improvements, but you're also setting yourself up for a nice return on your investment down the line. Win-win, right? Last, but definitely not least, enhancing your home's energy efficiency. This is a big deal in today's real estate market, and for good reason. Making your home more energy efficient isn't just about saving money on utility bills. It's also about increasing the overall value of your home. You can upgrade to double-pane windows that can keep your home warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer, which means you're not relying as much on your heating and air conditioning. And let's not forget about upgrading to a high-efficiency HVAC system. These modern systems use less energy and heat and cool your home compared to older models, which not only saves you money, but also reduces your carbon footprint. So, by investing in energy-efficient upgrades, you're not only making your home more comfortable and cost-effective to live in, but you're also making it more attractive to potential buyers. Everyone benefits in the end. Those were the top big 3 renovations that can help increase the value of your home. Remember, when planning any renovation, it's important to consider the aesthetic appeal and the practical benefits. Sure, those granite countertops might look stunning, but are they the best choice for your lifestyle? And while that spa-like bathroom might seem like a dream, will it offer a solid return on investment when it's time to sell? And that's where I come in. I'm here to help you navigate the ins and outs of home renovations. Whether you're weighing your options or want to ensure that your investment aligns with your long-term goals, I've got you covered. No question is too big or too small. I am here to provide personalized advice tailored to your unique situation. If you have any questions or need advice for your specific situation, don't hesitate to reach out. I'm Stefphanie Galloway, and I'm here to help you make the best decisions for your home. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, like, subscribe, and click that bell for more information. I'll see you in the next video.